Hello and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro manual in the color gray. Let's take a look. So starting up front underneath the hood, we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine, manual transmission, gets up to 278 horsepower and 265 pound-foot of torque. Of course, up front here, we have LED headlights, customary daytime running lights, and your Rigid Industries fog lights. If you look in your headlamps on the passenger side, you'll find the TRD light up, and then on the driver's side, we have the Pro. Really neat feature that only comes with this trim level. On your grille, just above your logo, you'll find your front-facing camera here, as well as up top, we have our hood scoop. As we get along to the side here, we do have our black alloy TRD wheels with our red suspension. And if you look closely, we do have 3M treatment on this unit. We also have our side mirrors with integrated turn signals and blind spot monitoring. Looking underneath, you'll find an additional camera, which contributes to the full surround view camera effect. As we move back, you'll see that all of your rear windows do come with a factory tinting, and on the rear corners, you'll find your TRD Pro imprint on both sides. Looking up here, you'll see that we do have our bed light that is currently turned on back here. This can be turned on or off or work automatically with opening and closing of doors. Your rear windshield middle panel right here is also power movable. We'll take a look at that inside in a minute. Next to your handle here, we have your backup camera. And looking further down, you'll see that we do come with a compact spare. To open up your rear space here, just release the handle and it will gentle open from there. So looking inside quickly here, on the right hand side you'll find additional storage and a rear power outlet. And to close up the space, just reach down and bring up your tailgate. Next, let's take a look at the inside. So looking in here, you'll see that your internal upholstery is the black leatherette with the red stitch detailing and this texturing in the middle. On the front, or on the back rather, of your front passenger seat, we have pouch storage, and in the middle of the console, we have cup holder storage as well. Currently, we have the TRD Pro rubber mats throughout the unit, a little extra storage in your rear doors there. As you move forward, take a look inside your driver's door panel here. We have the power windows for front, back, and child safety lock, power lock system, and side mirror controls. You have electronic seat adjustment up front, back, front, up, down, and your lumbar support. Again, that black leather with the beautiful red contrast stitching, and up top on your headrest, we have the TRD Pro stitching. On the bottom, we'll find your hood release latch on the bottom left-hand side of your dash. Above that, controls for that rear tail light, for that rear bed light rather. Automatic headlamps, the rear power outlet, clutch start, your full surround view camera effect. Press that button and you'll be able to flip through all of your different angles. Make sure that there's nothing that you're missing. And next to that is your traction control. So we'll just hop up here and take a look at your steering wheel. On the left-hand side is where you have controls for radio, volume, and hands-free communication. Right-hand side is where you have your dash controls. And then your cruise control, including your sonar and lane departure. In the middle here is your infotainment display center. This is where you access much of your information about your daily driving experience, including your built-in navigation and all of your audio listening. This unit, of course, comes with AM, FM, and satellite radio. It also has full Bluetooth connectivity for both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and an optional USB adapter. Under that is your climate control center. We have the dual climate control so that you and your front passenger can have your own unique temperature settings, or sync them up to work in unison. We also have the tri-level 2 front heated seat controls for you and your front passenger, defrost for front windshield and side mirrors, and then your dial control for your 2-wheel 4 high and 4 low. Under that is your BSM sensor. This is a control for that rear panel. Functions like any other power window where you push in or pull up. Take a look at that in the back. When you push it down, moves to the side, and when you pull up, it closes back again. Next to that is your USB port, and then we have this little symbol. If you press the button, it'll light up, and now this little black pad with the coordinating symbol is turned on to be the powerless charger, the touch charger for any compatible devices. Next to that is your 12-volt adapter, and then in the middle here is, of course, your leather gear shift with those red highlights to complement your seats. Back from that is your storage spaces, cup holders, and console with additional charging spaces inside. Looking up on your rearview mirror, you'll find these house-shaped controls. Those are your garage door openers. Above that, you have your control for your SOS button, 8-track rear diff lock, your sunglasses compartment, overhead lighting controls, and the controls for your moonroof. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour for this 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro in the color gray. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703, and remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.